I'm going to start here with the boot sequence on a 2800 series router. The reason why I'm doing this is because the 2800 router actually displays more on the screen during the boot process. You'll notice the system bootstrap, which is coming from ROM, is going to be the first thing that you see. It identifies it as a 2800 platform. It currently has 256 megs of RAM. Then what it's going to do at this point is look to flash for an iOS image. Once it's able to find an iOS image, it's going to go ahead and decompress the image effectively. At this point, it's loading it into RAM memory so it can be used by the system. Now, as soon as it's done actually decompressing this image and loading it in the RAM, it's going to go ahead and provide a checksum to make sure it's okay, and it'll display the information about the iOS or the Internet Network Operating System to the screen. You can see here it shows the memory requirements. There is my iOS. In this case, I'm running version 12.4 of the software, which is one of the later versions. If it goes through, it identifies the different interfaces that I have, which you can see here: Fast Ethernet, Serial, and it shows me their present state. Now, we're not going to get into the interfaces at this point. What we want to do is we'll go ahead and clear the screen. And we're now going to go to a 3800 router to show the startup there. So you can see the difference between the 2800 router and the 3800 router. And we're going to get into some of the details later on of what has happened during this boot up process. But let's go ahead and start up the 3800 router at this point.